You already have your existing block furnitures from your ad center, but if you would want to download new block furnitures, there are several websites where you can get that for free. One website that I go to is CAD-block.com, which you can search in the specific item that you want, and then you'll just click the download CAD blocks button. I have here downloaded a bedroom block. This one right here, it says bedroom.wg. So to put this on our AutoCAD file, you just have to copy this downloaded file and add it to the Ad Center folder. So let's first open the Ad Center folder from AutoCAD. Let's type in Ad Center. So basically we're going to add the new downloaded blocks right here. Right click on the Design Center folder, and you can click on Add to Favorites first, or you can also go ahead and open this directory right here. It says Program Files, Autodesk, AutoCAD, and then up to Design Center. So you can manually open that folder, or you can also just click on Add to Favorites. Next is Organize Favorites. Now you have the shortcut to the Design Center. If you click on it, then you can see all the existing block furnitures that we have. Now we're going to just copy and paste the downloaded CAD blocks. Let's go back to this one. Let's open the download folder. I'm just gonna cut this file and then paste it right over here. Let me just there you go. So our new bedroom block is now saved in the Design Center folder. Open Ad Center again, and let's just refresh this one by minimizing this Design Center folder and then opening it up again. And now you can see our new downloaded block, which is the bedroom.wg file. So let's download another set of blocks. This time this is a restaurant equipment. Let's click on the download CAD blocks, and we're going to copy this over to the Design Center. And we have now the restaurant equipment file. Now let's go back to AutoCAD. Let's move it right here. So we have to just refresh this real quick, and to do that you just have to minimize the Design Center folder and then open it up again. And now you can see the restaurant equipment.wg file right here. So let's see what items do we have, and there you go. So that is how we download a new block for AutoCAD.